If you've been buying, selling, or earning crypto, you might be wondering, do I owe taxes on this? It's one of the most common questions in the crypto world, and honestly, the confusion is real. But the good news? Crypto taxes aren't as scary as they seem. In this video, we're breaking down the basics in the simplest way possible. Let's start. Let's start with the foundation. In most countries, crypto is treated like a digital asset, similar to stocks or property. That means when you sell, trade, or sometimes even spend crypto, it can create a taxable event. This is not because governments hate crypto, but because, just like other investments, profits are considered income. There are a few common actions that typically trigger taxes. Here's what counts as a taxable event. Number 1, selling crypto for your local currency. Number 2, swapping one coin or token for another. Number 3, spending crypto on goods or services. Number 4, getting paid in crypto. And number 5, earning staking or interest rewards. The simple rule is this: when you dispose of crypto, taxes come into play. Not everything is taxable. In most regions, these actions are tax-free. Number 1, buying crypto and holding it. Number 2, moving crypto between your own wallets. And number 3, checking your portfolio every 5 minutes. So, as long as you're not selling, swapping, or earning, you usually don't have a taxable event. Just remember, once you sell or trade it, it becomes taxable. The biggest surprise with crypto taxes isn't the tax, it's the paperwork. Crypto exchanges don't always provide full tax reports, so keeping records is incredibly important. At the very least, you want to track the date you bought, how much you paid, the date you sold, and how much you received. This helps you calculate your gains or losses later. Most people use simple spreadsheets or automated crypto tax tools that connect to exchanges and generate reports for you. And always remember that good records is equal to a much smoother tax season. To keep things smooth and stress-free, here are some simple tax tips for beginners. Number 1, use a crypto tax tool as it automates 90% of the work. Number 2, don't wait until the deadline and start early. Number 3, track everything in one place. Number 4, know your region's rules because every country is different. And number 5, when in doubt, talk to a professional. Being organized is the easiest way to avoid mistakes, and staying compliant protects you, your profits, and your long-term crypto goals. And that's a wrap. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crypto guides.